abantu bayakhala emkhontweni DJ Sbu. Ama-members of parliament ayakhala into eyenziwa uFloyd. Kuyimanje kuthiwa uvale wonke ama-account, organization can move kulento esiyithola nge-constituency funding. People are not paid in KZN. There was a letter that was wrote to Duduzile, part of ezinye izinto ezimenza ukuthi abe frustrated uSisdudu, because she's having a lot of pressure from members who are crying to her. The staff members have not been paid. Here in Gauteng, we don't have offices, constituency offices. And now we're bordering on issue of non-compliance. Because I think from 1 March, there must be audits, the IEC audits, because we get constituency funding after the elections and so forth, when we have members in parliament, in legislatures. As I'm telling you now, he's taken all the accounts and centralized it to himself. There are allegations surrounding his name on the mismanagement of funds of the organization. And all these things must be investigated. We must know what is happening with the money of the organization. If there's any wrongdoings that has happened, actions must be taken from such individuals.